Welcome to UserAndI, the channel where I teach UI designers how to create user-friendly interfaces. And today is going to be the first episode of our new segment where we take one tip in Sketch and we explore that in under 5 minutes. So today we're creating custom shapes. We're going to draw a circle here and we're going to select this tool here, and that gives us 4 anchor points. Depending on your shape, it will give you more than one, but what this allows you to do is change the normal shape of a circle. So if you hover over the lines here, that's not an anchor point, it allows you to add more points. But if you hover over an anchor point, you can basically select these 4 options here. This is asymmetric, and what this allows you to do is if you move a point, the one opposite it will follow. Then we have disconnected, which allows you to move one point without moving any other ones that are connected to that anchor point. Then you've got mirrored. Mirrored basically does whatever you do on one side, it will do the same on the other, and we basically have point, and point will just give you a point. And that's it for creating custom shapes. Thanks for joining.